everyone and welcome back to my channel, and here we go, my friend is back.
Hi! Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Because I missed you.
So here is my outfit of the day. It's my present. Oh my god, I'm so happy. So we are going to change the oil in my car.
Like, you know, like girl stuff. What girls do, change oils and stuff like that.
Exactly, yeah. So we will change. I will change the oil in the car, and then maybe if there is time, maybe we will have some coffee, and then I will go for my hair appointment.
So we're filming on her new camera. She just got the new Canon G7X
Mark II, and I didn't. By the way, you know, I didn't know that there is already Mark III.
Really?
And Mark III has the port for the mic.
Oh. And this one doesn't?
Mm-mm.
But it catches. I mean,
yeah,
I'm pretty sure the sound is amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty good, but still, you know, like when you are with a real mic and all that stuff. And all.
Soon, just you know, things take time. So I finally decided to start my
your
own
channel. Yeah.
I don't know when. I have to make the account.
Yeah, it will still, but you have to already record. You know how much I'm late for the things every single week, so you need to have videos.
And
ahead.
well, I have the program that I can, you know, edit on my laptop, but I don't know how to. I know how to, but I don't really know how to edit. So I need to watch some YouTube tutorials on Adobe Premiere.
Yeah, but in the beginning you just need the basic stuff, like cut, done. We're done in here.
So hopefully something amazing will come out of it.
Her boyfriend didn't kinda let her to have the channel, and
well, it's not like he said no, I don't agree with you having a channel. I just, you know, one time I was asking him, hey, what do you think about me starting a YouTube channel? And he was like, oh, I don't like that bullshit. That thing for me is bullshit. But if you want to do it, but I don't want to be a, you know, I don't like being filmed. I'm not the social Instagram, Facebook type of person. So that was his point. And I was like, yeah, but you know, he's a part of my life, so he will appear in some of my videos.
so guess what? I have no petrol. So yeah. And I'm late for my appointment. Very late. I don't have internet. And I don't know how to arrive there. Let's try to figure it out. And I'm so late. At least. Full super, please. My card. Thank you. Focus. Yeah. So my camera dies and we are still shooting. Yeah. My battery lies, and I don't think that I took a second one with me. So let's see how long it will stay with me. Hopefully for long, because the sunset is amazing. I will go meet my friend. We'll have some coffee, we'll have dinner and chit chat. Then I will go back home. We'll keep editing my videos and going to sleep.
What was that?
A lot of